Good morning, class. This morning we will be talking about resistance. All right. So resistance is going to be governed by Ohm's law. Okay. And we will discuss this. We'll also discuss the we're gonna explore. We're not only going to discuss it, we're going to explore Ohm's law. Another thing that we want to connect this to is the geometrical representation for resistance. Okay, so after we discuss the geometrical representation, we want to represent the geometrical representation with symbolic representation. Once we do that, we are going to connect mathematics to the symbols, and then we can just connect algebraic. We can have an algebraic representation. So it may seem like a lot, but of course, I want you to know where it's coming from. Algebraic. We're going to derive the algebraic representation from the conservation of energy as well as the conservation of charge. So just in case you guys did not understand that, this is going to be the conservation of energy and charge. Two different concepts, but we want to be able to deal with that. Okay. Let's see, what else are we going to do here? Let me see, let me do this just in case you guys can't see this. All right. So that is going to be the gist of this experiment as far as theoretically. And of course, we're going to have a calculator and we're going to do an experiment. We're going to have a couple of apps that we're going to use in this particular scenario. And so let's just start this up. Okay. One of the first things I want to show you guys is physical resistor. So it's very small, but it's a resistor and it has bands on it. Okay. These bands are used to, it doesn't matter what they're used for. We just, not now. Okay. We'll talk about that later. So let's describe a resistor geometrically. A resistor is going to have a cross-sectional area, A. Okay. And with this cross-sectional area, it is, we're going to also have a length, L. So I'll just draw it down here as well, just in case there's some screen blockage. And this particular material, it's a cylinder right now. It doesn't have to be a cylinder, but this material here is going to be some kind of conductor. And so associated with that conductor, in particular with resistance, is resistivity. And this letter here is Greek and it's rho. I guess phonetically it's rho. Okay, so in Greek, that's how we say it. And it is also known as resistivity. All right. So L